Bacon 6 ways. Okay, first off, chocolate dipped bacon. It's a little too rich for me. I'm not the biggest fan of dark chocolate. The bacon gets a 4 out of 10. Bagel bacon. It's cream cheese and everything but the bagel seasoning. That one's so good. Okay, but bacon gets a 9. Peanut butter and jelly bacon. Bacon? I don't know. I already knew I was going to love that one. I'm going to eat the whole thing. PB Bacon gives a 10 out of 10. Moving along. It's pizza sauce and cheese. Pizza bacon. It's really good. Definitely not better than the PB Bacon. Pizza bacon, a 7. Mangacon. It's mango, okay? It's just, I never thought I would ever really pair bacon and mango. Mangacon gets maybe a 4. I'm sorry. It's just, not the best pairing, okay? This one I already know is going to be good. Squawgacon, guacamole and bacon. Yeah. Or I guess it's just avocado, so avo bacon. My favorite was the peanut butter and jelly.